Hello, welcome to San Diego Review. Today we're in beautiful Ocean Beach in San Diego. So just a great funky old beach town that I absolutely love. It's one of my favorite places in San Diego. We're gonna come over here and go have brunch at this place called Wonderland. It's the second floor of the OB Surf Lodge. And I'm here with Gigi. Hey, Gigi. And we're just gonna have some brunch. Haven't been here in about a year, but it's one of my favorite places. It has wonderful views of the ocean. And we'll take a picture of the sign and walk in. And you guys can come and have some lunch with us. That's nice. But yeah, OB is just a chill beach town that everybody's friendly. There are tons of places to eat. The guy just stopped to let us cross, which is amazing. Parking can get a little bit, can be a bit of a hassle. Here's Wonderland. During the summer. So plan ahead. So that's where we're going to be, right up there. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. This is the inside of Wonderland. Look at this great view. And here's Gigi. Hi. We got these, what are they called?
Sweet and spicy.
Sweet and spicy wings as an appetizer with ranch and blue cheese. And look at those wings. The smell and the look like they're a 10 rating. So why don't, why don't you grab one and tell me what you think?
Oh my god. They're really good.
She likes them. Let me try one. Yes. Oh my god. The sauce. Can you believe it? It's sweet and it's spicy. Little sesame seeds help out. The messiest wings I've ever tried. They are fantastic. If you come to Wonderland, grab the wings as an appetizer. We'll see you in a few minutes when our entree comes out. Welcome back. The food just came, and I got shrimp and grits. And Gigi got blackfin. What is it? A poke bowl, but what kind of fish?
Tuna.
It was tuna. But what did they call it? Blackfin? Bluefin tuna. Sorry about that. And Gigi, check it. See how you like it.
That's really good fish. That's really good.
I think the flour is pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty.
And this is shrimp and grits. By the way, the wings were the best wings I've ever had in my life. They were amazing. So let me try some of the shrimp and grits. Let me see the salt, the grits. The gravy is just heavenly. It's almost like a southern gravy, but with a seafood flavor to it. Very creamy. And here's the grits. All right, here's the shrimp. Amazing. Amazing. Let me try these little. The grits come in these corn cakes. Oh. If you've never heard of Wonderland or never been here, run here. The place is amazing. It's a great place to take a date. They have awesome drinks. There's one called the Beach Cruiser. That's all liquor. That's amazing, but I don't drink. And the food is just second to none. And it's all of this is probably going to be about $45. So it's very reasonably priced. But get here. Come to OB and come to Wonderland. I'll give you one last shot of everything around. You can watch surfers. There's some people surfing. It's all open air. And it's just an amazing place. We're going to take a cruise around OB after we eat this, and we're going to stop at some more spots. We're going to try a fantastic ice cream place, and we'll show you what OB looks like. Catch you in a few minutes. Bye-bye. Okay, we just left Wonderland. Fantastic place. Probably the best food I've had in a long time. So we're going to take you for a quick tour of OB. There's the OB Pier. And everything happens. The main drag here is Newport. So it's going to be on that side or that side?
That side. We're going to turn at Luigi's.
Oh, let's cross here. See, there's Newport. And we're going to... Newport's great in the summer. Newport in OB is great in the summer. You go to the beach, I have a great dog beach, and it's just the quintessential beach town. Nobody's really fancy here. Nobody has attitudes. It's just a great place. We'll pass the Black and see if it's open. There's a store called the Black. It's like a head shop, but it has great clothes and music items. It's a legend in OB, but apparently they may be closing because rents keep going up. Hopefully they're not closed yet. We'll take a quick stop in there. Those waffle cones smell good.
I know, it smells so good.
But yeah, I just absolutely love this town. That used to be my jungle coffee place, I think. This is where no, it's still there. Cafe Bella. There'll be dogs everywhere. Sunshine Company Saloon is a really good place. Hodaz, some of the best burgers in town. Hodaz is awesome. It's right there. The burgers are great. There's like a VW bus inside you could eat at as a table. They've been around forever. Gets super crowded in the summer. The line goes all the way down the street. Starbucks is Wings Army now.
Oh.
Oh, there's the Black. I can smell the Black.
Yeah.
We're here at the Black, and it's just a great store. They sell all kinds of cool stuff. It feels like you're walking into the 60s. And if you could smell it, it just smells like incense.
Well, Jim.
After we get ice cream, let's go to the Black and maybe we get a t-shirt or something.
We should cross here and then turn that way.
Okay. Luigi's. Check my check back in my videos. I did a video on Luigi's Pizza. That's a different location, but it's still the best pizza. one of the best pizzas in town. I forgot to turn.
Oh, sorry.
Um, what was the name of the Mexican place we used to go to all the time that closed down, but now it looks like they opened again? Remember we used to get the big burrito? This is Bacon Street. It's cross street from Newport. There we go. So, a few videos back, we went to On's Dry Cleaning, which is really an ice cream shop, one of the best in the country. So now we're at On's Electronics Repair, which is another business that they converted to an ice cream store. And it's the best ice cream ever. So let's go get some. Here's their flavors of the day. I believe I'm going to be getting the... Which one am I thinking about?
I thought you said.
Yeah, the No Signal, which is vanilla date and pecan sponge cake with butterscotch. And instead of themed as a cleaners, this one's an old electronics shop, and they got all vintage electronics. Like there's even an Atari 2600, VHS video camera, and just a whole bunch of weird electronics. And they got two of my favorite movies, the Godfather series and Point Break, and Rocky. So we're going to get our ice cream, and then we will show you how it looks and tastes. Okay, here we go. We just got our flavors. What did you get, Gigi?
I got Power Amp, which is like or Power Supply, which is dulce de leche with coffee.
And then I got, the guy was amazing behind the counter, and he made me get two flavors. So one is Motherboard, which is chocolate and peanut butter, which is what I was going to get at Otten's Dry Cleaning. And then the other one is Power Supply, right?
No, you got No Signal.
I got No Signal, which is in the way. Do you remember what No Signal was?
It's vanilla, date, pecan, sponge cake, and butterscotch.
Okay.
It's like a bread pudding, I think. Is that the dessert he's
Yeah.
Or it's no sticky toffee pudding.
Sticky toffee pudding.
Yeah.
All right, you try yours.
Oh, really good.
And what's yours again?
Coffee. With like cinnamon and stuff.
Okay.
Like melting everywhere.
Let me try mine. Oh, it is so good. They make the best ice cream. And the themed stores are what's really cool. Like this one's an old electronics shop. The one we usually go to in North Park is a dry cleaners, On's Dry Cleaning. But I'm kind of leaning towards electronics repair because it's just so nostalgic. Still nostalgic. So thanks for taking the mini tour of OB with us. And we will catch you on the next one. Please like and subscribe. And let me know which ice cream flavor you would have had. Bye-bye. Say bye.